Okay, so today we're going to jump into working with files. The cool thing about working with files is that up to this point, none of the programs we've created have the ability to save any data at all when they're not running, which makes for a kind of stupid program, right? If you use Microsoft Word and you write your big term paper and then you exit Microsoft Word and your term paper just goes away, that's a stupid program. It's almost useless. The only tolerance we have for that kind of behavior is from programs like Calculator, right? Because we calculate, so we just need it for like 30 seconds to find out what the answer is, and then we don't care if the data goes away. But virtually everything else we use relies on what we would refer to as data persistence, meaning the data that you create, the data that you're using, that you're working with, lives on after you exit the program, or if your computer crashes or whatever, right? So we've got to be able to save data. And the most basic way, but still very popular, very widely used, is saving the data in files on your computer. Now, there's other ways to save data, obviously, databases being the other primary way to do that. We are not going to cover databases in this class. However, now that we've done the employee database assignment and we have the ability to save in files after today, you can approximate that. Now, the biggest difference between file-based storage and database storage is speed and scalability. Databases are faster. They can be used by multiple people at the same time. There's some real advantages to database storage. But if you're creating a single user program on your computer, and it's a relatively reasonable amount of data, a file is going to work just fine 99% of the time. Okay, and I'm going to show you, not today, but in our next class session, a few tricks for saving more complex data structures to files. Today, we're going to get into the very basics. How to open files, how to read from them, how to write to them, a few methods for like how you can save data to files in a useful way, that sort of thing. So this is working with files.